Today we're making delicious tamarind pulihora, a classic South Indian rice dish that's tangy, flavorful, and perfect for any meal.
Soak the tamarind in warm water for 15 minutes. Then squeeze and strain it to make a smooth tamarind extract.
Heat sesame oil and prepare the tempering with mustard seeds, lentils, peanuts, chilies, curry leaves, and a pinch of asafoetida until fragrant. Add turmeric, tamarind extract, salt, and a little jaggery. Simmer until the mixture thickens into a rich, flavorful paste.
Pour the tamarind mixture over the cooled rice and gently mix until every grain is evenly coated. Let the pulihora rest for 10 minutes so the rice absorbs all the delicious flavors.
Your flavorful tamarind pulihora is ready! Serve it with papad or yogurt and enjoy this comforting South Indian classic. Happy cooking!